Hey guys, so if you want to get the Weber Griddle and you're looking for like what is the actually like the best ones right now and primarily like reasons why you shouldn't get it. Now, first thing first, what are the pros? Pre-seasoned and ready to cook out of the box. Also, rust resistant cooktop. So that's like another thing. Even heat distribution gets hot fast, so that's great too. Now, to go even further, you have like storage cabinet right there on the bottom, 5-year warranty. So like the pros are there. It's a good product. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, right? But what about the cons? It's expensive. And this is like the first thing. Maybe this is not like important to you, but it's a first thing. The second thing, the digital thermometer can be inaccurate, and that's something to be aware of. So now it's important to get your own thermometer if it's possible. It's massive, okay? That's like another thing, that it's going to actually like 77 inches wide. So it's going to actually like take space. Be aware of it, okay? And only one side of the table folds down. That's another thing. The right side table is fixed because the propane tank mounts there. Again, be aware of it, okay? Accessories sold separately. And of course, like requires maintenance. And the 5-year-old warranty doesn't cover rusting. So rust from their warranty coverage. So the rust resistant claim has limits, okay? Another thing to be aware of. And this is not portable, understandable, but here are like important things for you to know if you want to actually like buy it, the pros and cons. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and sorry just like showing you it like this, but I think this is the best way. How can I show you the pros and cons without like wasting you like 20 minutes of your time? So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.